Honey, you're so funny. Will you marry me?
How old are you?
I'm 31.
Sorry, expired.
Mario's Pizza, can I take your order?
Large pepperoni pizza.
Great. Delivery address?
3 Oak Street.
And payment?
I'm a parrot. I don't have money. Just bring the pizza.
Why are you looking at me?
How old are you, Granny?
I'm 99 years old.
Really? And you are still alive?
Oh, my goodness.
How are you, my child?
Come home, Mommy. Daddy brought a criminal in the house.
Oh, man, tell me everything.
Mommy, Daddy said he's doing an interrogation, but why is the interrogation happening under the blanket? Why are you crying, Mommy?
I'm not pretty.
Don't cry, Mommy.
Am I pretty?
No, you're not.
Oh, my gosh.